welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a DIY ripped jeans video. I bought these really cheap pair of ripped jeans for 20 bucks at Abercrombie & Fitch. It's already slightly ripped but not enough. I really like the fit. It's high-waisted, it's really comfortable, but the only thing, it's not ripped enough, and I wanted to rip them up more. And if you're interested to see how I do it, then please continue watching. So this is what the jean looks like now. It ripped on the left side but not the right. So first you want to just put on the jeans, right? And see where you want the rip to be. So I kind of want it around here. Take the washable mark and mark that area. The wider you want the rip, the longer you should mark the line. Let's say I want it ripped all the way here. You want to just mark that, and you want to mark the line straight across because you don't want to cut too much of the white thread that's on your jeans. And then I also want to rip it here. Just gonna mark a little bit here and here. I'm going to line up the two lines. You can see here on the right side with the line on the left side, and then cutting a straight line across, or at least I tried. And do the same for the rest of the marks that you made. Honestly, cutting up the jeans was like the best part. And now you want to use a tweezer. Any tweezer is fine. And then you want to start pulling the blue thread down. It's hard pulling the first one, but afterwards it should be easier. Like this one. Honestly, just start using your hand. Well, I think it helps a little bit more if you just stretch the jeans. See how these white lines are ripped off because you cut them? So you want to cut as straight as possible so you can cut less of these white lines. So I kind of finished the first rip right here, and I'm going on to my second rip. This is kind of therapeutic. It's actually my first time trying to do a big rip. After I pulled out all the little blue strings, this is what it looks like before we wash it. I'm debating if I should cut this and do the knee. Guess I should, because this knee cut right here is a little bit below my knee, so it makes my leg look shorter. So if I have some rip above my knee, it will make my legs look longer. I guess I'm just gonna do it. BRB. So I'm finished. Finally done pulling every single little blue strings. This is my pile of blues, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to throw it in a washer with some of my dirty clothes and see how it will turn out. Okay, so be right back. I popped it into the washing machine, and we will have to wait about an hour. Hopefully it turns out like what I imagine it to look like. Ooh, this is the final look. I just took this out the dryer. It's still a little bit wet, but I'm just too excited. I really want to see what they look like. And here it is. Dun 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 dun. I think after a couple more wash, it should look better. Yay, happy. You see what I mean when I said that now my legs look longer because the rip on my knee is a little bit higher? So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will be making more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!